Hello friend, shadow DOM. This is a really important topic for XPath and like whenever we write the selectors, and really good to know about like how what is possible and not possible here in case of shadow DOM. So let's see. Very first thing, let's see what is shadow DOM. Shadow DOM is basically, if I tell you the definition, it is a DOM inside DOM, and it generally start with it actually start with shadow root like this. And there are two types of shadow DOM. One is open and another one is close. Okay, so and another concept is that uh, it will never exist without a DOM. It will always be attached to an element of the actual DOM. So this is actual DOM will always start with doc type HTML, and shadow DOM will always start with shadow root. So whenever you see something like shadow root open or close, you can understand that these are the elements inside shadow DOM, and this is a shadow DOM. Shadow DOM is there. Okay. Now, how can we write the XPath for shadow DOM element? So let's inspect. This is the element we have inspected. Now let me show you that if you copy the XPath from Chrome DevTools, you will see that it is giving an XPath. But actually, let's see what selector sub suggests. Just open selector sub here and put this XPath over here. Press enter. Shadow DOM gives you the information that XPath doesn't support shadow DOM, and you can say vice versa, that it is like XPath doesn't support shadow DOM or shadow DOM doesn't support XPath. So here, if you see that this element here, we cannot write XPath for such elements which are inside shadow DOM. So what is the option left then? We will have to write the CSS selector only. So here, if you see, you can verify CSS selector for shadow DOM elements in selector sub. And in fact, if you try to verify this here in Chrome DevTools, that doesn't work. Why? Because Chrome DevTools doesn't support shadow DOM. Okay, now if you turn this on, auto generated mode, here you will see that you will get all the information here, like related CSS selector, and this is inside shadow DOMs. For such elements, shadow DOM doesn't XPath doesn't support. And if any element is SVG inside shadow DOM, then also all the information you will get. So you have learned that how you can verify selectors for shadow DOM elements. XPath we cannot write for shadow DOM elements, and the shadow DOM which are open, that only will support. Closed shadow DOM doesn't support. Okay, so like for an example, if I show you the closed one as well, so the reason why open and closed, open shadow DOMs are those shadow DOM which allows us to access the DOM inside them, elements which are inside them it allows. But if it is a closed shadow root, then it will not allow to access those elements. And the basic concept of like having shadow DOM itself is security. So you see that this kind of shadow root element are not accessible. So selector sub will give the information that as well, that this element is inside shadow DOM which is inaccessible. So for such elements, XPath and CSS selector, nothing we can verify or write. So I hope you learned about the shadow DOM, and this will help you to write and verify and whenever you will be working. And shadow DOM elements you cannot handle directly, like find by element, something like those kind of method. You will have to write a specific script to handle these elements, that you can Google it. Okay, so yeah, we learned about shadow DOM elements. In the next tutorial, we will learn about how to write XPath for iframe elements and iframe. Okay, thank you.